Kia ora, my name is Ruth Oliver and I grew up in Arahina, which is a tiny farming district on the banks of the Arapuni Dam in the Waikato.
Oh.
I work in the Alexander Turnbull Library. I work as a photographs conservator, which means I work with the heritage collections.
Lovely job.
About 20 something years, so in DIA for about 6 years.
Yes.
But before that, in 1997, what does that make it? Nearly 20, no, 21. I'm a newbie. I've been at Kapahaka for about 2 months.
Wow.
So I'm a Kapahaka baby.
Oh.
Just the inclusion, the laughter, the fun, the music, beautiful waiata. I just love it. Another thing I'm learning about coming to Kapahaka is having, because I don't know Te Reo, but I'm learning, I'm a real beginner, and I always try and make sure my pronunciation is good. But what I'm able to do, because I'm singing, is actually string a whole lot of words together, and that's awesome for learning Te Reo.
Yeah.
And also just I'm starting to understand the different types of song, like so learning Tēnā Taka Poi, that's the first poi song I've ever learned, and I can understand now the rhythm and things like that. So I'm learning all sorts of things by coming to Kapahaka. I'd just say don't be scared. I'd just say come and give it a go, because the support that I've had since I've been there has just been amazing, because I know nothing. I am so not Kapahaka. The first time I ever came to Waiata, they had some technical problems and they couldn't get the words up on the screen. So this guy next to me gave me his phone, because I didn't know any of the words or I didn't even know the song. And then while we were singing that waiata, he went and wrote the words up on the board, so that I could sing the next waiata.
Oh,
and that has just continued. Every time I go, there's just somebody being lovely to somebody else. And I come along and I sweat sometimes because I'm, quite kind of, I was saying to Moana, because I don't know what's coming next, because I aren't able to go to the weekend practices and things like that. And so I'm like, people like this, and so I'm going like this, but already they're like that, and so I'm
always behind. Me too.
But the thing is that I will get there.
Yeah,
I will. When I was exactly the same when I first went to aerobics, and that ended up fine, and some of it's just relaxing. So, well, I have this ambition to sing Tēnā Taka Poi.
Awesome.
But it is such a tongue twister for me that I'm still having problems with it, but I'm getting there, and it's just such a beautiful song. But since I've been learning waiata, there's just so many beautiful waiata that it would actually be hard to choose. So I think I'm choosing the challenge. But I couldn't sing it at the moment. It's
what about a little bit?
at the moment.